hair looks like it is very difficult, but when I show you how it's made, you will notice that it is the easiest hair you learn today. Let me show you how I made these bubbles to create that hairstyle you just saw there. From our lush hair attachment, with just attachment hair, you can create that beautiful bridal hairstyle. I posted that hair few days ago on my TikTok handle, and a lot of people were asking me how I made it, so I decided to do a tutorial on how I created that hairstyle with just attachment. By the way, my UK clients ordered this hair, and if you want to order this hair too, I will put my number on the description box so you can go there and order it. Now when you get your attachment, you cut it into 3. The first part will be smaller, while the next 2 parts will be big. I will tell you why in the second part of this video where I made the hairstyle. If you notice, you will know that the first one I brought out was very small, and these 2 second one were bigger. Okay, so this is how I am going to do this bubbles. For a smooth hairstyle, you need to prep your hairs properly. If you notice, I did not cut this hair because of the style I was going for. I just had to apply my hair cream and brush it from the tip. I didn't have someone to help me hold the hair while creating the bubbles, so I had to use my door handle to do it. So you get a thread or wool, anyone you have, Brazilian wool, bobby wool or anything, just get it and begin to tie it. The tip here is that you're going to tie it very tight to give that, sucked in feeling, and then give it space and tie another place. Another tip is that you give it a lot of space, like give it space but not too much space, okay, so that when you start styling with it, you will understand what I'm trying to say. So give it like a little bit space, not too long and not too short. If it's too short, it will not give you the hairstyle. If it's too long, it won't give you that smooth consistency. So you give it a little space and you tie, as you can see from the videos, from the bubbles here. So that's literally how you're going to continue this process till you get to the end of the first side of the hair. Okay, now this is part 1 of this video. Okay, this video is divided into 2 parts. This is part 1, and the part 2 is where I made the hairstyle. So I just did this particular video so that it will be a little, like, it will be detailed, and I didn't want to join the 2 videos together so that it wouldn't be too long and bore you, and so that it will be detailed too. When a video is too long, you try to cut some parts out. So I just decided to make this detailed so that you understand it better. What I'm trying to say is that you still have a part 2 of this video where you will watch how I made a detailed video on how I made the hairstyle. This one is part 1. So after watching this, you go to the part 2 and learn how I made the hairstyle from the scratch. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Lawrenzy. I am a hairstylist based in Nigeria. I create beautiful hairstyles and makeup videos in this channel. I also have a personal channel where I create my daily lifestyle. It's just a new channel. Please, if you love what I'm doing, please go and support me on that channel. I'll be dropping the link to the channel on the description box so you can go and support me, guys. And also, if this is your first time, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit on the notification bell to be notified when next I post a beautiful tutorial like this. And also don't forget to like, share and comment. Apart from being a hair tutor, I'm also a hair vendor. I sell most of my products, and most of the products you see here are products that customers ordered, and I decide to show you how I made them. So if you want to also order any of our products, please, I'll be posting the links below so you can order from us. For now, I am taking orders on my WhatsApp account, but I'm trying to get a what's it called, a shop on Shopify, so that it will be easier for you to shop from website. So after I have tied all the bubbles, then you just have to cut out the excess stress from the tying you made, and that's all. your bubble is ready for the next part. So come to part 2 so you see how we created this beautiful hairstyle. See you in part 2 and see you in my next video. Bye.